Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Anran 4 Camera 4MP Wireless Solar Security System with NVR, a comprehensive tutorial. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to setting up, configuring, and troubleshooting your Anran 4 Camera 4MP Wireless Solar Security System with NVR. It covers everything from unboxing and hardware setup to network configuration, app integration, and advanced settings. Unboxing and identifying components *. Carefully unpack your system and ensure you have the following items. *NVR, Network Video Recorder, the central hub for recording and managing video footage. *4X Wireless Cameras. *4MP Resolution Cameras with built-in solar panels and batteries. *4X Solar Panel Brackets. Mounting hardware for the solar panels. Network Cable, Ethernet cable for connecting the NVR to your router, if required. Power adapter for NVR. Provides power to the NVR unit. Mouse. For navigating the NVR interface. Screws and anchors. For mounting the cameras and solar panels. Antennas. For the cameras and NVR to improve wireless signal. User manual. Contains basic setup instructions and troubleshooting tips. Warning stickers. To deter potential intruders. Important. Verify that all components are present and undamaged. Contact the seller immediately if anything is missing or damaged. 2. Hardware setup. 1. Preparing the cameras. Charge the batteries. While the solar panels will provide continuous power, fully charge the camera batteries using a USB cable, likely micro USB or USB-C. Check your model before installation. This ensures the cameras have enough power initially. Attach antennas. Screw the provided antennas onto the antenna ports on the cameras and the NVR. Ensure they are securely fastened for optimal signal strength. 2. Connecting the NVR. Placement. Position the NVR in a central location with good ventilation and near your router. Ideally, it should be within a reasonable distance of all cameras for a strong wireless connection. Connect to a monitor/TV. Connect the NVR to a monitor or TV using an HDMI or VGA cable. HDMI is recommended for best picture quality. Connect the mouse. Plug the provided mouse into one of the USB ports on the NVR. Connect the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the NVR and then into a power outlet. Connect to the network, optional for initial setup and remote viewing. Connect the NVR to your router using the Ethernet cable. Some Anran systems can operate entirely wirelessly, but a wired connection during setup can simplify the process. After setup, you might be able to disconnect the Ethernet cable and rely on Wi-Fi for the NVR if it supports Wi-Fi connectivity, but always verify this with your specific model's documentation. Wired connections are generally more stable. 3. Mounting the cameras and solar panels. Camera placement. Carefully plan the placement of your cameras. Consider the following. Coverage area. Ensure each camera covers the desired area with minimal blind spots. Lighting conditions. Avoid placing cameras directly facing strong light sources, example the sun, as this can cause glare and reduce image quality. Obstructions. Ensure there are no obstructions, example trees, branches, blocking the camera's view. Height. Mount the cameras at a sufficient height, typically 8 to 10 feet, to deter vandalism and provide a wider field of view. Asterisk wireless signal. Asterisk consider the distance and obstacles between the cameras and the NVR. Test the signal strength at each camera location before permanently mounting them. You can usually do this via the NVR's interface. Asterisk solar panel placement. Asterisk the placement of the solar panel is crucial for ensuring sufficient power to the camera. Consider the following. Asterisk sunlight exposure. Asterisk the solar panel must receive direct sunlight for several hours each day. South-facing installations are generally best in the northern hemisphere. Asterisk angle. Asterisk adjust the angle of the solar panel to maximize sunlight exposure based on your latitude and the season. A general rule of thumb is to set the angle equal to your latitude in the winter and reduce it by 15 to 20 degrees in the summer. Asterisk obstructions. Asterisk ensure there are no trees, buildings, or other objects casting shadows on the solar panel. Asterisk mounting procedure. Asterisk 1. Use the provided mounting template to mark the screw locations on the wall. 2. Drill pilot holes at the marked locations. 3. Insert wall anchors, if necessary, into the pilot holes. 4. Attach the camera bracket to the wall using the screws. 5. Attach the camera to the bracket and tighten the screws. 6. Repeat the process for the solar panel bracket and the solar panel. 7. Connect the solar panel cable to the camera's charging port. 8. Adjust the camera's angle to achieve the desired field of view. 3. NVR setup and configuration. Asterisk 1. Initial boot up. Asterisk once the NVR is powered on, it will guide you through an initial setup wizard. Asterisk language selection. Asterisk choose your preferred language. Asterisk password creation. Asterisk create a strong password for the NVR. This is crucial for security. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Asterisk time zone and date / time settings. Asterisk set the correct time zone, date, and time. Accurate timestamps are important for accurate recording and event logging. Asterisk network settings. Asterisk if you have connected the NVR to your router via Ethernet, it should automatically obtain an IP address. If not, you may need to manually configure the network settings, IP address, subnet mask, gateway, DNS server. Refer to your router's documentation for the correct settings. If you plan to use Wi-Fi, follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. 2. Camera pairing / adding. Asterisk the Anran system should automatically pair the cameras to the NVR. If not, you'll need to manually add them. The process usually involves the following steps. Access the camera management menu. Navigate to the camera management or channel management section in the NVR's menu. Search for cameras. Click on the search or auto add button. The NVR will scan for available wireless cameras. Select cameras. Select the cameras you want to add from the list of available devices. Pairing / binding. Click on the Add or Pair button to add the selected cameras to the NVR. You might be prompted to enter the camera's password, often printed on a sticker on the camera itself, or in the manual. Verify connection. Once the cameras are added, the NVR should display live video feeds from each camera. 3. Recording settings. Recording schedule. Configure the recording schedule to specify when the cameras should record video. You can set up continuous recording, 24/7, scheduled recording, example during nighttime hours, or motion activated recording. Recording resolution and frame rate. Choose the recording resolution and frame rate. Higher resolution and frame rate will result in better video quality but will also consume more storage space. 4 MP is the stated resolution of the cameras, so it should be an available option. 20 to 30 frames per second, FPS, is generally sufficient for most security applications. Motion detection sensitivity adjust the sensitivity of the motion detection feature. Higher sensitivity will trigger recordings more frequently but may also result in more false alarms, example triggered by moving leaves or insects. Experiment to find the optimal setting for your environment. Some systems offer adjustable zones for motion detection, allowing you to focus on specific areas of interest. Storage management HDD, hard disk drive. The NVR uses an internal hard disk drive, HDD, to store video footage. Check the remaining storage space and adjust recording settings as needed to optimize storage utilization. If you run out of space, the NVR will typically overwrite the oldest recordings. Overwriting configure the NVR to automatically overwrite old footage when the HDD is full. Cloud storage, optional. Some Anran systems offer optional cloud storage for backup. Check if your system supports this feature and configure it if desired. This usually involves creating an account with Anran or a third-party cloud storage provider. 4. Network configuration, advanced. Port forwarding, for remote access without cloud. If you want to access the NVR from outside your local network without relying on the Anran app or cloud services, you may need to configure port forwarding on your router. This involves opening specific ports on your router and forwarding them to the NVR's IP address. This is an advanced topic and requires a good understanding of networking principles. Improper configuration can create security vulnerabilities. Refer to your router's documentation for instructions on how to configure port forwarding. The ports typically used by NVRs are 80, HTTP, 554, RTSP, and 8000, or another custom port specified by Anran for media streaming. Only forward these ports if absolutely necessary, and consider using a VPN for added security. Many Anran systems rely on P2P, peer-to-peer, connections, which bypass the need for port forwarding, so check your system's manual first. DDNS, Dynamic Domain Name System. If your Internet Service Provider, ISP, assigns a dynamic IP address to your router, which changes periodically, you can use a DDNS service to map a fixed domain name to your dynamic IP address. This allows you to access the NVR from outside your network using the domain name instead of the IP address. Anran may provide its own DDNS service, or you can use a third-party DDNS provider. 4. Mobile app integration ****. Download the app Download the Anran app, usually available for iOS and Android, from the App Store or Google Play. The app's name is often mentioned in the user manual. Create an account Create an account within the app. Add the NVR to the app The app will typically guide you through the process of adding the NVR. This often involves scanning a QR code on the NVR or manually entering the NVR's serial number and verification code. Remote viewing Once the NVR is added to the app, you can view live video feeds from your cameras, play back recorded footage, and receive notifications on your mobile device. PTZ control, if applicable. If your cameras support pan, tilt, and zoom, PTZ, functionality, you can control these features from the app. Advanced settings and features User management Create multiple user accounts with different access privileges. This allows you to grant access to other users, example family members, while restricting their ability to change system settings. Asterisk email notifications. Asterisk configure the NVR to send email notifications when motion is detected or other events occur. Asterisk FTP upload. Asterisk configure the NVR to automatically upload video footage to an FTP server for backup purposes. Asterisk firmware updates. Asterisk regularly check for firmware updates for the NVR and cameras. Firmware updates often contain bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features. You can usually update the firmware through the NVR's menu or the mobile app. Asterisk privacy masking. Asterisk use privacy masking to block out specific areas of the camera's view, such as neighboring properties or public streets. This helps to protect the privacy of others. 6. Troubleshooting. Asterisk asterisk. Asterisk no video signal. Asterisk. Asterisk check the power connections to the cameras and NVR. Asterisk ensure the cameras are within range of the NVR. Asterisk verify that the cameras are properly paired with the NVR. Asterisk check the camera's antennas are securely attached. Asterisk if the signal is weak, try repositioning the cameras or the NVR. Asterisk consider using a Wi-Fi extender to boost the wireless signal. Asterisk motion detection not working. Asterisk. Asterisk adjust the motion detection sensitivity. Asterisk ensure that the motion detection feature is enabled in the recording schedule. Asterisk check that there are no obstructions blocking the camera's view. Asterisk remote viewing not working. Asterisk. Asterisk ensure that the NVR is connected to the internet. Asterisk verify that the NVR is properly added to the mobile app. Asterisk check that the NVR's network settings are correctly configured. Asterisk if using port forwarding, ensure that the ports are correctly configured on your router. Asterisk try restarting the NVR and your router. Asterisk camera battery draining quickly. Asterisk. Asterisk ensure the solar panel is receiving adequate sunlight. Asterisk check the connection between the solar panel and the camera. Asterisk reduce the number of motion detection events. Asterisk consider replacing the camera's battery. Asterisk incorrect time stamps. Asterisk verify the time zone and date/time settings on the NVR. 7. Code examples, conceptual, not direct NVR code. Since you cannot directly access the NVR's internal code, and Anran doesn't provide a public API, code examples are limited to illustrating how similar functionalities might be implemented in a software context. These examples are for educational purposes only and will not directly work with your Anran NVR. 1. Conceptual motion detection, Python, OpenCV. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk this code simulates motion detection using OpenCV. It would need to be connected to a real camera feed, example RTSP stream if your Anran camera is supported, but this requires significant additional coding beyond this example. Asterisk it uses background subtraction to identify moving objects. Asterisk contours are used to detect and highlight the moving objects. Asterisk this is a very basic example and would need to be significantly improved for real-world use, example better noise reduction, more sophisticated object recognition, etc. Important asterisk this code does not directly interface with the Anran NVR. It only demonstrates the concept of motion detection. 2. Conceptual email notification, Python, SMPLIB. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk this code demonstrates how to send email notifications using Python SMPLIB library. Asterisk it requires you to configure your email credentials, sender email, password, recipient email. Asterisk important asterisk for Gmail, you must use an app password if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Asterisk this code would be called from the motion detection code, or similar trigger, to send an email when motion is detected. Asterisk this code does not directly interface with the Anran NVR, it's a standalone example of sending an email. Disclaimer asterisk. These code examples are for illustrative purposes only, they are not intended to be a complete or production-ready solution. They do not directly integrate with the Anran NVR. Interfacing directly with the NVR would require reverse engineering the protocol and is likely against Anran's terms of service. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk security asterisk protect your NVR's password and network settings to prevent unauthorized access. Asterisk privacy asterisk be mindful of privacy regulations when installing and using your security system. Avoid recording areas where people have a reasonable expectation of privacy. Asterisk legal requirements asterisk check local laws and regulations regarding the use of security cameras. You may be required to post warning signs. Asterisk maintenance asterisk regularly clean the camera lenses and solar panels to ensure optimal performance. Asterisk battery life asterisk solar powered cameras still have batteries. Although solar power extends battery life significantly, batteries will eventually degrade. Expect to replace batteries every few years depending on the amount of sun exposure and camera usage. Check your user manual for how to replace camera batteries. Asterisk wireless signal strength asterisk wireless signals can be affected by many things: walls, metal objects, distance. Poor wireless signals lead to choppy video or frequent disconnects. By following these steps and consulting your user manual, you should be able to successfully set up and configure your Anran 4 Camera 4MP wireless solar security system with NVR. Remember to prioritize security and privacy when using your system. Good luck.